What's going on, everybody? Product Probes, Christian back at you with another knife review. Got something a little different today. Picked one up from Kuuma. This is the Kuuma 51910. You know, they had one, it had the serration, and then they had a smaller one. So went ahead and got with the fine edge one. Really impressed by this thing so far, actually. You know, really fast. We'll save that for a little bit. Let's go ahead, dive on into the review. All right, first things first, that trigger. Super fast trigger on the thing. It's super crisp, super clean. The only problem really is a little bit of extra pressure that you need to use to push down. But once you get that thing opened up, super fast. So let's go ahead, check out this blade, give you guys a quick little close-up real quick. All right, first things first, you've got your logo right up there. Super nice, you know, super simple. I like how they did that. Got your drop point blade. So if you start from the top of the knife, you're gonna have a real gradual drop right there to the point of the blade. Large belly on here, you know, lots and lots of cutting and slicing room, which is really nice. Like I was saying, this is the unserrated version, so real nice straight blade right there. Not a super sharp point on there, just because it is going to be one of your drop points. You know, compared to a clip point, they're not nearly as sharp. Stainless steel, it's almost like it's a stone washed effect to it, which is really nice. So show you the back side. Got your dual thumb studs at the top of the blade right there. Gonna be real nice. You know, it doesn't seem like you need to use them too, like I was saying earlier. It was a super fast knife, so I mean, being that it's a spring assisted, you're really not going to have to use those thumb studs unless there's a malfunction in the spring and it kind of opens up halfway. So that's a definite plus right there. Kind of want to see how sharp this thing is because it's a new brand, so I know I don't have anything to compare it to. So let's see. Yeah, guys, I can already tell this thing's going to be super sharp. Let's go ahead and grab some paper and see what we're dealing with. All right, Product Probes Matt back here. Let's go ahead and get some paper, see what we're dealing with. All right, on the cut down. First things first, let's see how good it catches. Wow, that is really nice. You know, there was a little bit of ripping going on, but it caught all the way down to the bottom of the paper. Let's try that again. You're not gonna have any problems whatsoever. Super sharp knife so far. One thing I'm kind of curious about is that point. Being that it is a drop point, it almost kind of feels a little sharp. So let's see if there's any catch. Not bad. You know, very little catch on this knife. So far, this is actually really nice. The cut down, wow, you're gonna have no problem. There is very minimal ripping, but that's gonna be no problem whatsoever. Really impressed with these blades so far from Kuuma. You know, don't really have anything to compare them to, so far Kuuma is definitely exceeding my expectations. Really like that a lot. Let's go ahead and check out the handle. All right, give you guys a quick little close-up. It's actually a nylon infused handle, so it almost feels like a plastic, so that's a nice little plus. You know, it doesn't feel like that cheap plastic either, so you definitely have that nice quality feel to it, which is super good. Now the grip, really good grip on here. You've got a thumb grip at the bottom right there, and there's not much of the texture at the top for your thumb ramp, but there definitely is a nice little thumb ramp. I wish they would have a little bit of texture up there. Almost kind of got blood grooves in here. You know, sometimes you got the blood grooves up on the blade. They kind of incorporated that at the back of the handle, but it gives it a really nice feel to it. Let's see, you know, regular position, good right there. Let's check out. Not as well as a feel, I guess if you turn it this way, actually, it actually feels really good for your defensive. So that's a definite plus right there. With your liner lock, show you that right here. All you gotta do is textured, which is nice. Push that down. It's a little difficult to push it down, but it's not too bad. One-handed open and close, you're gonna have no problem whatsoever. And it's a pretty simple knife too. Really all you got your landing hole in the back right here and your pocket clip. You know, nothing super fancy. You don't have a glass breaker or a glass breaker or a seatbelt cutter. Nice little everyday carry knife. Kind of curious to see this belt clip. Let's see what we're dealing with. So, not super beefy. It's pretty easy to push up with your fingers. So I'm not sure if that's going to be too easy to slide in and out, but I can already tell it's going to be really nice because that belt clip's positioned really far up on the knife. So one thing I want to do, go ahead and check it out in the pocket and see what we're dealing with. Okay, let's go ahead and slide in the pocket, see what we're dealing with. So slides in relatively nice. It's nice and snug in the pocket. Sits really high up on the belt too, or really high up on the knife too. So as you can see right here, there's really no knife sticking out from the front view. Really nice concealability right there. Pocket clip sits really nice in there. Let's see, pull out one-handed, no problem. Open that up. You know, this is actually really nice so far. Let's try that one more time. Slides in just really nicely. Printing, there's a little bit of printing because it is a little bit of a bulkier knife, but really not too bad at all. Concealability, long shirt, t-shirt on like this, you're gonna have no problem whatsoever. Pull out one-handed, and you are good to go. Really impressed with the way it slid in and out of the pocket, no problems whatsoever. You know, so far Kuuma's doing a really good job. Being that it was a nylon infused, kind of a plastic, it was super light as well in the pocket. So I'm guessing this thing's gonna be pretty lightweight too. So let's go ahead, grab the scale, and see what we're dealing with. All right, being that's gonna have that reinforced nylon handle, I'm actually predicting a pretty lightweight knife. Let's see what we're dealing with. 3.95 ounces. So that's really, really good, you know, compared to a, you know, wood or a stainless steel or even an aluminum. It's gonna be a lot heavier. So this is really, really nice. Let's see, the total length on here is gonna be 8 inches. So yeah, to be less than 4 ounces and with an 8-inch knife is really, really good. Let's go ahead and get the size of that blade. 3.5 inches, and closed up, you're gonna be dealing with, looks to be 4.5 inches. So really, really nice pocket size knife right here, guys. Anything under 4 ounces for an 8-inch pocket knife is really, really good. So we were sitting at 3.9 ounces. Really impressed with this knife. You know, Kuuma did a really good job. And it was only like an $11 knife on Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description below. You know, really, really like this thing. Definitely one of the nicer ones we've had here on Product Probes. Even though it's not a super big brand, they did a really good job with everything on the knife. Give you guys one last little close-up on the knife right here. So got your blade right here. Real nice drop point on there. Dual thumb studs. Almost got the stonewash effect to it, which is super nice. Got your nylon infused handle right there. Liner lock at the bottom. And you got your lanyard hole in the back right here. Pocket clip on the back. And guys, everything on this knife, there are no cons to this knife. Just super sharp, lightweight, felt really nice in the pocket. Can't complain, guys. Go ahead and check this out. This is the Kuuma 51910. Leave that link down in the below if you want to go ahead and check it out. And be sure to check out our Friday night knife giveaways. Every single Friday night, we're giving away knives just like this. All you got to do, watch the video, follow some simple rules. Super simple, lots of fun. So go ahead and check that out. We like to do that around 5, 6 o'clock Central Time. But other than that, be sure to go check out Kuuma, guys. Did a really nice job with this knife. And if you want to check out some of the other ones, we might actually go ahead and order the other 2 models just because of how nice this one is. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.